So after Daiva Vyapasaraya Chikitsa, we have Yukti Vyapasaraya Chikitsa, which is the contribution of the physician. So Yukti means the spontaneity, the talent, the intellectuality, the intrigued approach, and also an approach where the intentions of the physician are totally towards the wellness of the patient. So there are like a number of treatments and number of medicines and number of combinations. There are different types of preparations, but the thing is we cannot roam around all these things. We cannot go with a trial and error with all these things, whether it is useful or whether it is working for that particular patient or not. In order to give a result for the patient, the physician has a responsibility to decide upon which is the best way for that particular individual. The disease might be the same, but his age might be different, his physical status might be different, his mental status might be different, his dosha combination might be different. The disease dosha might have some prescription for a particular individual with the physical dosha in a different form. So for example, in a vata pitta disease, if the person is having a pitta vata constitution, to understand what is constitution, you can go back to the first video where I have explained about the 7 types of combinations of the uh, natural constitution of the patients. So um, these are the things that decide what type of medicine has to be given to that particular type of patient in that particular condition at this particular stage of his life. For example, age factor, and also the way he is dealing with the life. uh, for example, the person who is having a stationary job will have a different combination, and the person who is having a what do you say, traveling job will have a different combination, and the person who is actually having a night duty sort of shift will have a different combination. When we actually discuss these things with others, there might not be everyone in Ayurveda who is practicing this sort of approach towards the combination of the medicine, but the dosage and the formulation actually differ in my practice, and it is highly customized, and there comes my